Insert the USB stick with the field Foreman data from your indicator into your PC. Click on the data sync icon. You have the choice between import transactions or export field setup data. Press on the green arrow to import transactions. If this is your first time importing data, a screen prompt will appear. Select the drive letter of the USB thumb drive and click OK. In this case, I press cancel because I've already imported data previously, so the data automatically imported. Next time you import into the field Foreman PC program, it will default to this drive automatically. To view imported data, click on the data icon. All the transactions loaded into field Foreman PC will appear. The database uses typical Windows controls. For example, you can click on a column header to change the sorting from ascending to descending and vice versa. The location category is the only one that can be edited. For example, if you recorded a truck delivery to your home site but then detoured that truck to the farmer's co-op because the wet bin at home was full, you can now change that load to correctly show that it was delivered to farmer's co-op. This can be done by right-clicking on the location cell you want to change and a pop-up list of the other locations appears. Click on the one you want. The data can easily be filtered to show specific information, and the filters can easily be saved. To filter data, select the column information to be filtered. If you click the down arrow next to the field column, you will see a drop-down list of all the fields you have entered. The all box is checked by default. You can check one field or as many as you want to view. Filtering by date has additional parameters. Click on the right down arrow on the date and time column. A calendar appears where you can select the date range. Once the date range is selected, click on the circle by selected. To save a set of filtering choices, press the Save Filter button at the lower left corner of the screen. Then type in the filter name in the dialog box and click OK. Now you can simply click on the filter name in the left column to view this data. Reports are powerful tools for determining how well your farm plan worked and what changes you might want to make in the coming season. Field Foreman PC makes report generations very simple. The reports generated are based off the filtering done in the data section. Only the information that results from your filtering in the data section will be available for the reports. Field Foreman PC has 5 default reports: transactions, field report, hybrid report, location report, and truck report. To view the transaction reports for the filtered data, click on the transactions in the left column. Each individual load will be displayed. Click on the arrows to scroll left or right or up and down. Click on the full sheet of paper tab to preview the print layout. Click on Open Book icon to change page setup. You can click on the refresh button to return to the default page setup settings. Click on the printer icon to print. If you want to export a report to Excel or PDF, click on the drop-down arrow by the computer disk. Select PDF and the Save As box opens. Select the location you want to save to. Edit the file name if you wish, then click on Save. If you want to create an Excel file, select Excel and the Save As box opens up. Select the location you want to save to. Edit the file name if you wish, then click on Save. Data can be exported via the default reports as described above, or by the complete raw data format from the data section. To export raw data, click on the data icon. Select the data to export. Click on Export in the right column. A pop-up box asks you to choose from Excel or XML format. Select your desired format, then select what location you want to save to. Change the name of the file if you wish, then click OK and your data is saved. To view the reports, return to the Report section. To view the field report, click on the field report in the left column. This report displays the field name along with the grain type and hybrids planted to this field. Total weight of each hybrid and grain type is displayed along with bushels and bushels per acre. This report is very useful for reporting your average production history, or APH, or as a supporting document with the government bin measurements or settlement sheets for a crop insurance claim. To view the hybrid report, click on the hybrid report. This report shows total weight and bushels harvested. In addition, the hybrid's bushels an acre for the selected fields and the average moisture percentage. To view the location report, simply click on the location report in the left column. This displays the total weight, bushels, and average moisture percentage delivered to each of these locations. This report is especially useful when calculating your shrink bushels for your storage locations. To view the truck report, click on the truck report in the left column. This report shows each truck and the total of what they hauled to each location and which field this came from. This report is especially useful when verifying grain storage receipts from your elevator. In addition, calculating payments for hired trucking is greatly streamlined. Upon completion of the harvest for the crop year, you can archive that crop year in preparation to get ready for the next crop year. To archive data, click on the data icon and select the date parameters you want for that harvest year. Then press on the archive icon. A pop-up icon will ask if you want to continue. Data will be archived and cleared from the data table. Select yes on the pop-up. Another pop-up lets you know archive data was successfully saved. Click OK. To view your archive data, click on the archive icon. Click on the load in the right-hand column. All available archive data will appear. Select the file you want to view. The icon will appear letting you know data successfully loaded. Press OK. You can filter archive data the same way you did in the main data section. Once you have filtered the data, you can save that filter, same way as we did previously. Click on the Archive Reports tab and you're able to view all the archived reports the same way you viewed the reports on the main section. This is a quick overview on how to review your reports in Foreman PC. If you have further questions, please refer to your user manual or go to our website at www.agscales.com.